I will be crushing different things by a motorcycle. So the first thing I will have to crush is a flip-flop. I know. So let's start up the engine and run it over. That was weird. The next item that I'm going to be running over is this dog chew toy that has been chewed up so it may pop my tire. Okay, so now it's in front of it and let's do it. That didn't work. The next item is going to be a go-gurt. So yes, it may splat everywhere, but let's do it. But guys, before we run it over, I'm gonna give you guys a challenge. If you can like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds, you'll get lots of luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time's up. Make sure that you subscribed and liked. Now let's do this. Oh, it didn't splat. Let's try that again. Just keeps on missing. Maybe we'll go backward. One more time. Let's do it. The go-gurt may have survived, but doesn't look like it will. Ah! The next thing that you're gonna see is an experience in the motorcycle. Let's go.